We pay bills. Baby, they locked up everything. People still on us. It's so hot. I can't think right. We pay taxes. Love in the stable. He look like he played football or something. He look nice. Like he come from good stock. We pay mortgages. We're manifesting. Don't tell anyone I said that. I'm putting it out there into the universe. We pay insurance. Oh, this is horrible. Y'all gotta come home before on Saturday. I don't think she wanna be at work, child. I feel like that's a sign. Because what's gonna happen when the battery go out?
Watch out for them internet trolls. They trying to satisfy them internet goals. You just got locked up cause...
Good morning, everybody. Today is the first day of Vlogtober. I told y'all that I will be posting a vlog every day. A mini vlog, not a long vlog. At least I'm trying to make it a mini vlog. I'm just dropping Genesis off. I'm on my way to get my coffee. Y'all know I have to have my morning fix. And then we are going to go to Home Depot because my lawnmower went out and I need another lawnmower because the grass is grassy. And it shouldn't look like that. I also need to look for something that will slow the growing process of this grass down because I'm not trying to be cutting grass like that, especially at the rental and the seasons, you know, they are changing, so the grass is supposed to grow slower than usual. So yeah, that's what's going on today. I'm gonna try not to go into another store because I know me, I'll go into a store. I don't need to go into a store. On the good side, all of this, Genesis doesn't have breaks today, so that frees up my schedule quite a bit. So, yeah. Whew. Excuse me. Alright, I'll pick y'all up when I get to Dunkin'. Alright, y'all, we are at Dunkin'. Y'all know last time I told y'all people it was a communication barrier. Let's see. Let's see.
Good morning, may I help you?
Good morning. Can I get a medium iced pumpkin spice latte?
You need whipped cream?
Yes.
Bria bhi aaya. Anything else?
No, that'll be all.
Come with the please.
Nah, baby, she missed me with that. I don't know what she said at the end. Y'all have to watch my vlog, though. Today I'm posting 2 vlogs. No. It's called self-defense, you know. My family is crazy. Girl, you're not using no hands. I'm not tripping. Oh, my family is funny. Goodness. Girl, I hope I got my card. Hello. What's the name of this place? Oh, okay. No, I just have my my thing for my points. Oh shoot. It's so good, y'all. What is this? Oh. Can y'all see this? I need to get this served so I can make this. Oh, thank you. I need to get this served so I can make it at home, but love in the stables. Oh, yay. I'm about to find this song. All right, we are about to go to Home Depot. I pray that these fucking people don't play with me. I need a gas lawnmower. I have been purchasing. Well, I have been purchasing. I have gone through 2 lawnmowers so far, and they broke. Both of them were electric, baby. You know, I have come to the conclusion that electric is not for me. That's like an electric car. I feel like that's a sign. I feel like this guy is telling me, girl, you don't need no electric car. God, I know. Because what's going to happen when the battery go out? And I'm just, All right, let's see what they got. And it better not be as expensive because those electric lawnmowers are fairly fucking expensive. All right. All right, y'all. So I just made it to Home Depot. I want to park by the exit because bitch, I don't know how big this shit. I hope I could fit this shit in my car. Good. My husband not here yet. He not here. I had to come, you know. I had to come because he's there. He's working. He's a hard-working man. We're manifesting. Don't tell anyone I said we're manifesting. Don't tell anyone I said that. I'm putting it out there into the universe. I'm sorry. I want somebody to give me some orders. Order in the court. Give me some orders, sir. All right. All right, y'all. I know I come here for just a lawnmower, but I also need some cleaning products. And I feel like I should get them while I'm here, but I'm going to get the lawnmower first because if y'all know me, y'all know. Bro, what is that? See, I get sidetracked. Mosquito. Yeah, I don't have time for that because the mosquito is still gonna bite. Ooh, I just need an air filter. It's 2416. One was 18. 24, 24, 24, 18. What, 30? Okay. Excuse me. Where are your lawnmowers?
I'll go on the other side and garden center.
Okay, thank you. I don't think she want to be at work, child. I don't blame her. I wouldn't want to be here either. Nah, garden center better be on the other side because it looked like garden shit was down here. But it's okay because I understand how it is when you don't want to be at work. Do I need that? No, I don't need that. I don't think this woman knew what she's talking about because she said on the other side by garden center. But it looked like I'm going by lumber. That's all right. I'm leaving out this motherfucker with a lawnmower today.
How you doing?
Hello. Excuse me, what are the lawnmowers?
A lawnmower?
Yeah.
The lawnmower is
I said that woman
you
didn't
gotta
know.
walk around.
I said she didn't know what she was
Walk
talking
down
about.
aisle 10. You gotta walk inside that hardware corral. It's gonna be on aisle 12. The first aisle to your right.
Okay, thank you. Y'all gotta come home before on Saturday. Not the man I was talking to. They got another man on the aisle. He look like he played football or something. He look nice. Like he come from good stock. That man probably not available. Oh, look, he's looking like he never. Oh. All right. All right. So what I do know is I need a gas lawnmower. That's what I do know. Baby, they locked up everything. People still lawnmowers? Oh my God. Is this gas? Okay, gas. So for why is it not on sale? I feel like the gas lawnmower is about the same price as the regular lawnmower. Baby, I don't have a lot to choose from. Why this $2.99? And is there a difference? Do y'all know if there's a difference in lawnmowers? Who the fuck calling my phone? Hold up. Hello. Hey, good morning. So, I found one. I'm going to do this one. Whatever. They're going to give me a cart because apparently I can't put it in the basket. I didn't look up. Let me see, because it said I need some oil. Is it a certain type of oil I'm supposed to use? I have never had a gas lawnmower, and I guess I need the gas thing too. Oh my God. Baby, this is a lot going on. Gasoline. Does it come with that? These people gonna run me out this stuff. It come with a bag. It mulches the stuff. Should I get a warranty? How good this warranty for? 3 years. Baby, last time I got a warranty, no, that was Lowe's. Lowe's played with me when it came down to the warranty for my own. Oh, Lord Jesus, help me. Okay. We gonna figure this out. We are going to figure this out. Love on a stable. Ooh, yeah. Y'all think I should go to Walmart or should I get my... No, you know what? I'm gonna get my cleaning products from here.
Thank you.
I really hope this shit can fit in my phone. Because it's questionable. Alright, so we got the lawnmower. I need to get a truck. I need to get a truck. God, I need you to bless me with a truck. Y'all, please. Can we pray for God to get me a truck? I'm just gonna have to see my husband because you know we're gonna have to switch cars or something. Yeah, we're gonna have to switch cars, so I gave his truck and he could just use the car when he go to work because things like this I have to be able to get unless he just wants to get them for me, you know. Yes. So I have everything that I need, at least for now, because I'm not trying to go crazy shopping. Let me call Exterminator and make sure we're still good for today, because I do have to take care of that.
Hello?
Alright, y'all, I'm now at the gas station because I gotta get gas for the lawnmower that I just purchased. So yeah, y'all see us back there. This man with the trailer on the back of his truck literally was just about to hit my car. This is my first time using one of these. I hope I'm doing this shit right. I thought to alright, remove to prior to first use. I'm gonna have to put this in the front seat because it's too big for the back. Let me tell y'all something. Doing what I'm doing right now, it's not hard. It's really not hard. Oh,
that we use for vacation photos. And
I'm just so thankful. I must say this. I know I get on here, I joke, I clown around a lot. And I'm always cussing and stuff like that when it comes down to like doing certain tasks that I feel that, you know, I just don't want to do because I've never had to do things like this before. But I am so thankful that God has put me in a position to be able to do those things for myself. So that's a blessing. You know, I'm very thankful for that. Because life could always be worse. So now, you know, we're about to go home. Take this lawnmower out the car. Set it up and cut the grass because my yard looks very demure. It's not looking demure at all. Love on a stable. Oh yeah. God, I don't know why I like that song. Hold up.
Love in the stable, love in the stable. Just me and you, girl. Me and you, just me and you, just me and you. I wanna make love, and we love in the stable. Let me, just me and you, girl.
Y'all, it's 5:11. I'm still cutting grass. I picked Genesis up from school. He didn't have practice today. And baby, that lawnmower like I look, I gotta do some shit in my house. Like I was gonna wait until tomorrow to get like cleaning supplies and stuff, but I gotta pick up a few things today. I have to because y'all, I'm so tired. I done took about 4 showers. Well, I'm exaggerating. 3. All right. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna go to Big Lots or if I'm gonna go to I'm tired. I'm so fucking tired. I guess I'll just do Big Lots because y'all, I don't know what the fuck I want to do. I'm so tired because I'm so hot and bothered. I don't know. I gotta do something. Okay. I don't know where I'm going. I'm going somewhere. Girl, look at this dog. Baby, I don't know who these people. I know she better get her and why is the dog outside with a diaper on? Baby, I will take that Yorkie home. Anyone want a Yorkie? There's a Yorkie with a diaper on running around Jefferson Parish. All right, I'll pick y'all back up when I get to the store. I just had to show y'all that because, bitch, what the fuck? And that bitch was balking at the line, the man mowing his lawn, well, blowing his lawn, bitch. All right. Oh, it's that fucking hot. It's too hot in here. I'm hitting everything that's hot. Fuck. Okay. So apparently, Big Lots don't have AC, bitch. Hold up. I gotta regroup. What is going on back here? All right. It's so hot. It just don't make sense. This does not make sense. It doesn't. Girl, why? This don't make no fucking sense. I gotta go. Bitch, I don't know. If I might pick y'all up, I don't know. Because I can't even think right. All right. You know what? Fuck that. I got something else to say, bitch. Everything in here needs to be 50% old. Because it's too fucking hot. It's so hot. I can't think right. Girl. All right. Yeah. All right. Y'all. It was so hot in there. So I don't even drink cold drinks. Oh. I'm about to drink this one. Bitch, this is... Oh, this is horrible. I'm about to order a pizza. I'm not cooking shit.
Please continue to hold. A representative will be taking your call in just a moment.
Girl, what? This is for the pizza place? Girl, this is too much for me. Oh my God. Okay. I was trying to... Hi, can I place an order for pickup? Well, for carry out? Pickup? Go ahead and take my number and then he might be hot too. Fuck, I'm hot. Listen, something about heat, it changes my mood. Heat, being broke, and being motherfucking hungry. 3 things I just don't do well with. I hate being hot. I hate not having money that I need. And I hate being fucking hungry. Oh, God. This heat is doing something to me. Something about this motherfucking heat. I don't know. I don't know. I need a distraction. I need a good distraction. I do. And I'm not sure if YouTube is it. Bitch, everybody on YouTube is fucking talking about their predictions. Everybody is fucking a fortune teller. Bitch, I'm over it. Can somebody foresee tomorrow? Please. Or later on today? How about y'all foresee the motherfucking lottery numbers? Girl, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired of hearing about Diddy. I'm tired of hearing about Jeezy. I am tired. But I do want to know what's going on. I need to know when he go to court. I kind of want to know. Because in my mind, I know he did some fucked up shit. But bitch, how the fuck 120 people have come forward? Y'all were just scared of this man? Oh, wait. Is this? Oh, no, it's not the parking lot. Why the fuck all 100 and something of y'all could have not come together then? What, he gonna kill all 100 and something of y'all? I ain't gonna lie. I know how it is to be in a situation where you're like being raped or molested or something. And bitch, I have reached a point in my life, bitch, I don't give a fuck. I'm just not gonna say what I want to say. But y'all know what I'm trying to say, bitch. Please. It's so fucking hot. I'm going home, clean up, and lay down. I don't think I want to talk to you no more after this. After I eat this pizza. Bitch. It is really hot. It is so fucking hot. Alright, I've made it to Marco's Pizza. I just made it to the pizza spot. They say 15 minutes or bitch, what is it, 5:41? I'm gonna sit here for about 10 more minutes and then I'm gonna go in and get my pizza. Also, y'all, look, I'm sorry that this vlog wasn't lavish, but bitch, this is what I do on a daily basis. My life is not fucking glitz and glam, okay? It's not glitz and glam. I don't wake up every day and go get a pedicure and go to Pilates and fucking go get massages and my nails done and my hair done and my teeth clean. Sorry. It's getting real life over here. Real life, bitch. We have mental breakdowns, we cry, and we cut our own grass. I'm just being honest, bitch. We pay bills, we pay taxes, we pay mortgages, we pay insurance. We don't go on trips every motherfucking day over here. Bitch, I wish I could go on a trip every fucking day. This is my real life. One day I will be able to go on a trip whenever I wake up and feel like it. Until then, bitch, yeah.